Hello, I am Squashed Out. And today I thought I'd go over that kind of like tape stop, that kind of a sound effect that you can hear in like tunes from Marauda and other artists that if I can think of any, I'll put them on the screen or list them here. It sounds like this. And yeah, to get that kind of tape stop effect, obviously you could use the tape stop thing and bounce it down to audio and stuff, but for dubstep, then you're kind of stuck with that. And if you want to change it later or do other ones, it's kind of tricky and tedious. So what you can do in Ableton is use the echo to basically automate it exactly how you want. So basically, I'll show you what this sounds like without it. Just straight up triplets, right? And then with this on, much more interesting, right? So I'll go over how to set that up. Also, if you need help on making those type of basses in the first place, Defire and Raymart just put out a nice, awesome tutorial on how to do like Code Pandorum, kind of Marauda, you know, just machine gun basses in general. So that'll get you started. I'll leave a link below, or, you know. So if we take this off and we go to echo, and let me just say too, if you have any sort of effect similar to this in your DAW, then you can do it. You don't have to, this isn't strictly for Ableton. But basically you go time, and you can use a normal delay too. I just really like the way it sounds on echo. So time, millisecond down to 1, feedback 0, and then basically dry wet all the way up. And then that's basically it. Oh, you might want to turn the filter off as well. That way it's not really affecting the sound much. And then let it do its thing, get into time. And then now you can see it's not affecting the sound in any way. But you can do the little tape stop thing. So if we go over here, we could like mess around with it. And obviously on more machine gunny fast stuff, it sounds the best. I like kind of like starting over like lower, or yeah, longer millisecond value is what I mean. And then basically just kind of like flicking it in. Sounds really cool. But basically that's it. Also, I have it built into this rack. Shout out to Tesco for showing me how to do, how to make the echo plugin into a saturator. Basically, this is like a saturation rack, and so here you can see it kind of beefs up the sound. So free download, check out the description or whatever, the dingus. And so here's the sound without it. And then with it, really beefs it up. So, you know, if you're interested in beef, then I recommend checking it out. Or if you want to kind of set up your own version of this, check out my last video. And yeah. If you guys want to take your skills to the next level, I highly recommend Defire Society. We have internationally renowned artists like 2 to 3 times a week going through the project files and showing us what they do. Quicks, Code Pandorum, Dr. Ozzy, G-Rex, Samplifier, Fox Stevenson, Ray Volpe, Odd Prophet, Ace Aura, Skunto, Desoki, just to name a few. We've also got tons of awesome instructors, some giving feedback live streams weekly, and some that you can book for personal lessons. Feedback-wise, I mean, just even at the time of recording this video, we've got Sam, Odd Prophet, Ace Aura. As far as the courses go, everything from all the technical stuff to, you know, all the business stuff, basically everything you need to know. And if you actually apply yourself and put all of it to the test, you know, some of the students have come out on these labels here. So check out the link below to sign up or check it out.